Hello, everyone. Thank you all for tuning in. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today, we're making one of the most popular street foods in West Africa, precisely Nigeria, and this is called Akara. In Nigeria, we call it Akara or Kuse, but mostly it's called Akara. Very nice and very delicious. Look at the inside. So nice and outside crispy. So today we're going to be making this. Let's cook. Right here I have my beans already washed and peeled. I took out the eyes from the beans. I'm transferring it now into my small smoothie maker. You can use your blender if you please. So beans this. How did I do that, you may ask? If you're not used to it, I soaked it for a couple of hours and I removed the eyes. Okay, so right now I'm just going to drop it in my blender. I added 1 egg. I added 1 Scotch bonnet for some heat. If you don't like spicy, then don't put any Scotch bonnet. And this is some salt and a little bit of water. Please don't add too much water because it will be runny, and when it's runny you can't fry it. You're going to have problems frying. So right now I'm just blending it in my smoothie maker. While I'm using my smoothie maker, it tends to make it so fluffy and so smooth. Though my blender can do the same, but if I have my smoothie maker handy, why not? So I'm just going to blend this till it's super smooth. And right now it's already blended. And you see how thick it is? This is how I want it to be. I don't want it to be too runny. So I'm going to repeat the process for the rest. And this is the second batch. See how thick that is? So I'm just going to work on this with my hand mixer. You can use a spoon or a spatula and mix it as much as possible till it's fluffy. You can mix it for close to 15 minutes and it will increase in size as well. Like I said, if you're looking for a fluffy akara, then just follow this recipe and you'll get there. So right now it's stiff peak, as you can see, it's really fluffy at this point. You see that dropping consistency? This is what I need. This is what I'm looking for. So it's time to add other ingredients. Right here I have my bell peppers and onion. I'm going to just peel them, wash them and cut them up. Anyways, this is optional, so but if you like, you can add. So I'm done slicing. I'm just going to add them into the beans mixture. And I'll mix all that together. Remember, I added some salt at the beginning, so I'm not going to be adding any salt. But feel free to add some nut cubes if you like. But I think since it's beans, it's better to keep it a little bit plain. Now my oil is heated up. It's time to just drop my akara into my oil. So I'm just scooping them into the oil. This can be done using medium heat. Don't allow the heat to be too high because it might not cook through. So I want to use this opportunity to say thank you all to my followers, my subscribers. I really appreciate you all. Thank you for always coming to watch my videos from start to finish. So when this is cooked, I'm just going to flip it to the other side so it can cook properly till it's golden brown, and then I'll take it out of the oil. So as you can see, it's already cooked. I'm taking them out of the oil, and I'm going to repeat this process for the remaining. So this is the second batch, and our akara is ready. Thank you all for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video by God's grace. Thank you and bye.